Here we are unboxing the air deflector for the White Top Adventures roof rack. Comes with some Marling hardware. Let's see what happens. Here's some of the hardware you need. Some T-nuts. Looks like it's put 5 T-nuts in the crossbar and a couple bolts on the side and you're in business. Alright, so the cross beam is pre-slotted. So you can just drop the T-nuts in there and slide them on down. You need 5 of them. Pretty simple. One of these bolts go through here, and you back it up with a washer and a nut. Hard for me to hold it and film at the same time, but should be pretty self-explanatory. Okay. Those are installed but not tight. Then lift this up and align the T-nuts to where they need to be. The other 3 are already pre-aligned. This one just slide into place. Look at that. A little bit more. We're in business. They're all on there. They're loose, you just got to tighten down. You're going to be in business. Booyah.